Also very fundamental and basic support for this whole machine. And the electric system and the driving system are installed in this box.
Yes.
This control panel. So we equip the touch screen. The operator can set the parameters and parameters from the touch screen. It's very easy and human friendly.
Okay.
The most important part is the forming device. After the raw materials fed from the hopper, it will be formed here. So next, we will try to introduce in detail this forming system. After the product is formed, it will be output from this belt conveyor.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is the front cover, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the front cover.
There's a safety switch here.
Yeah, safety switch, property switch.
So during the production, if someone lift on the cover, so the machine will stop immediately. Yeah.
Yeah. So
safety is very important.
In all the markets, the safety consideration is very important.
Yes, it's a European standard also.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I want to introduce you maybe the working principle. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is our forming machine, and with the forming machine, we also have a bucket lift.
Yes.
Bucket lift with meat cut to put material. So during this production, when we start the machine, so the lift device will lift the meat cut and the raw material, pour into the hopper.
Yeah.
But in the hopper, there's 4 screw feeding system.
Yeah. Firstly, may I ask what's the volume of this hopper?
Oh, it's around 300 liter or more.
Yeah.
So after the feeding screw feeding system, they will push the raw material into the press block, and in the meantime, the feeding cylinder will press also the raw material, and also the mold will come out, and the knockout will press down the products.
Yes.
And then the output belt will transport to another step.
Yeah. This study have introduced us the working process of
very simply.
forming machine. So how else a big brand? Why? Because our machine can give a big value for the clients, because the quality produced by our machine is very, very good. So Ms. Hani, may I ask what make sure the machine produce a very high quality product?
Yeah, we have a good advantage for this. We have 2 points. Because we have 2 systems. One is the self-driving system, and another one is the hydraulic system. To application the self-driving system, they can avoid during the production. They can avoid the screw feeding and avoid the raw material, less damage. And also because of the hydraulic system, they will make sure the product with equal weight and the same shape.
Yeah.
So it is very important. It can make the product stable and reliable.
Yeah.
Okay. So Bob, do you know more about the advantages of the former?
Yeah, something I know. Just as you said, our forming machine generation 5 is equipped with a servo control system. The servo motors and the control make sure that the machine works at a very high speed. Don't know
how much speed?
Yeah, 100.
Oh, too high.
Yeah.
I think you can compare with the Europe former, yeah?
Yeah, it's even higher than some European supplier.
Why is too big capacity?
Yes, for the overall is the high speed is ensured by the servo control system. We know that the servo control system is very intelligent. It have no very less faults. When the machine works at very high speed,
yes.
and very good quality products also ensured by this process. At the same time, we have the very advanced software.
Software, yeah.
Software.
As you know, our software, I think we have already designed almost 20 years.
Yeah,
so very stable.
Yeah, so our intelligent, clever engineer makes themselves be dedicated to get the very good software, and that's very important reason to let our machine becomes excellent. We have another advantage that makes sure the high speed. It is this platform.
Platform is stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless
very
steel.
Stronger.
Yeah, very stronger. So this platform is from one whole piece of the stainless steel.
Okay.
So it also supports the high speed working of this machine.
Okay.
Yeah. As we know that in the process of the forming, when it's knocked out from the mold, it's also be worked by the oil hydraulic. This also help us to get high speed and even no big fault.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, in the knockout, there's two pipes. One pipe is connected with the air, and another pipe can connect with the water.
Yeah.
Do you know why to connect with the water?
Yeah, the water helps the products come out from the mold easily.
Yes, correct.
Ensure the quality of the products.
Yes, yes. Yeah. So because of the hydraulic system and the servo driving system, so can make this machine with very high speed and very reliable quality.
Yes.
Yes.
So for this machine, what's the width of the output here?
Here is the biggest one. It is 600 millimeter.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we also have the various kinds of belt widths can suitable for different factory.
Yeah, what's the other width?
Yeah, the others can be 400 millimeters, 26 or 100.
Yeah.
So no matter how much capacity you want, you can choose what you need.
Yeah, this depends on the production capacity required by the clients.
Yes, and you know, for our mold for this former, do you know we have two materials of the mold?
Stainless steel?
Stainless steel and also the PE. PE is also imported from Sweden.
Yeah.
So they process the mold by our control system.
Yeah.
So do you know how much thickness of the mold?
The minimum is 4. For minimum, 4 millimeter.
Yeah, because about this matter, you know, when customer from Poland, they buy a former from Europe.
Yeah.
But they cannot reach this too small thickness. So they buy our I think already 2 lines.
Yeah.
So even the Europe former cannot reach this point, but we can.
Yeah. So it means that Harwell do not only supply the quality products, so we, at the same time we can do what some other supplier cannot do.
Yes. And also we can do many more possibilities, such as do you like vegetarian food?
Yeah, I like.
Do you know McDonald's have already released a new product, the plant-based burger?
Yeah, it seems that it's very popular.
Yeah, it's made of the soy protein. You know, because of the life is better and better, so people pay more attention about the health. So the healthy, they want to get more healthier food. So maybe the vegetarian burger can come out, can meet their requirements. Yeah. And also, you know, we have a new area for this former. We can do the candy. You know, the raw material is coconut. And after the forming, you put the coconut into the hopper, and you can form various shapes. And after the forming, you can go to the battering machine to coat some chocolate liquid.
Wow.
And then cooling it.
Yeah.
So it is very, very popular and very sweety.
Yeah, I hope to eat it very much. If it's come out in the local markets in the future, I will try to.
You can invite your girlfriend.
Together. And,
okay.
And so, we talk about the mold. May I know how can we ensure the quality of the mold? It's produced by Harwell?
Yeah, we process the mold by our own workers.
Yeah.
So we can control during the process, we can control the quality. So, but the other supplier, we cannot guarantee this.
Yeah. Yeah. As I know, it's also designed by ourselves.
Yes, of course. Yeah. And so today, and also the electrical parts.
Yeah.
And even this small pipe, it's imported from Festo, Germany.
Yeah.
So it is original parts.
Yeah.
And about the after sales service, you can look for if the machine any broken, so you can look for the spare parts in the local market everywhere.
Yeah.
And also for the warehouse, we have in the warehouse the shelf. There's many spare parts in the shelf.
In stock.
In stock, yeah. So if customer need any spare parts, we can ship to them immediately.
Yeah.
So the faster service is very important.
Yeah. So we have sufficiently consider for the clients in the process, so they use it for if they have any problem, they can tackle the problems in the soonest time to avoid any loss to their production.
Oh, sorry, I forgot one point. How about the cleaning the machine? It's very easy or not?
Yeah, we know that the food machinery is required very highly for the clean hygiene. And,
it's easily to disassemble. Yeah.
Yeah, very easy to clean. And we can operate and lift up this system, the forming system from the touch screen, and after lift up, the workers can clean with the pipes. It can also go up to the ladders. Maybe you cannot see that there's a food switch, and you can operate the water pour in or out to clean the forming machines, the hopper inside.
Okay.
Yeah. And we also talked about the delivery, the after-sales service, and may I know?
How about the installation?
Yeah. Our installation is ensured by Harwell after the machine gets into the factory, the client, and we will dispatch our technician to go there to help them
and teach their workers how to operate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's very important.
Yeah.
Our workers, maybe our engineer can stay there until the customers' factory workers can know how to operate.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Good service.
Yeah, so the after sales service is also an advantage for Harwell because the clients care about is for the machine work smoothly without any difficulty for them. So Harwell do well in this section. At the same time, we know that this machine works at high pressure in the process of forming.
Yes, of course.
All the machine will do like this?
Actually, we have two types. This one is for a very high pressure.
Yeah.
So we can do many kinds of raw materials. Maybe some soft, some hard, and some sticky, and some other, maybe the other material. We can all form. But we have another type. It is lower pressure.
Yeah.
But it is another forming type. It is a drum mold.
Oh.
It can form with original taste of the products.
Oh.
It can keep the meat fiber and keep the original taste for for the product.
Yeah. So where is it? I cannot see.
I think later we can introduce to you.
Yeah.
But different machines have their own advantages. So I think customer can choose anyone they want.
Okay.
Yes.
I think our engineer is working hard to design it.
Yes.
And our production system also going to work it quickly.
Do you know our forming machine also can put paper?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's many suppliers of burger.
Yeah, in some Middle East countries, they like to put the burger with the paper.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
I think the paper is to avoid the two burgers that stick together.
Yeah. And it's very easy before the package. It's very easy.
Yeah. So our machine can help to automatically work.
Yeah. You can connect with our paper support machine to do like this.
Yeah. As we know, if we want to get one product, it's not hard to work out with one machine. Maybe, for example, the nuggets.
Yes, yeah. It shall be the whole line.
Yeah.
Maybe one machine cannot finish. Yeah. One machine cannot finish one product. Maybe the whole line. You know, the whole line. Maybe later we can discuss much more details about the further processing equipment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it can be equipped with some also the rolling machines, other equipment to finish. For example, we have.
You mean the meatball rolling machine?
Yeah, meatball rolling machine. Yeah.
Oh, it is another machine, but have to match with our forming machine.
Yeah.
They use our forming machine. They have the special shapes of the mouth. They can make the cylinder shape first.
Yeah.
And then use our meatball rolling machine to roll a ball shape. But it's generally it's for a very big meatball.
Yes.
It can keep the original taste of the meat.
Yeah.
Maybe the meatball with much more percentage of the meat.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So in the next days, we will try to show the working video.
Yeah.
Let the clients know the details of our machine's working process.
Okay. So today we just talk about the forming. I think tomorrow we can discuss the other related equipment. Yeah.
Okay. So
okay. Thank you for your time.
Yeah. Thank you for your time. So
thank
hope to take care. Give us more eyes to Howell, to Danny and I.
If you are interested in our any machines, you can contact with us directly.
You can also
by Facebook, by Twitter. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Have a good time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.